What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing more mods on the GT350. We're going to be installing the Euro tail lights. Here they are right here. So I went with the Form Lighting brand. This is a plug and play system, so you don't need to rewire the third brake light. So these just plug into the factory harness, and that's it. That's pretty much it. And then after, I'm going to be installing the LED reverse light, because you know the stock one's dull as hell. I'm gonna do this install. Oh yeah, these are the 2018 style tail lights. The one on the Shelby, they are the 2015 style. I'll show you the difference in a second. Once I have the tail lights out of the box, it's gonna do a big difference to the back of the car. And it's definitely gonna change the look a lot. So let's get started on that. All we're gonna need is the access to the trunk. Okay, let me move this stuff real quick. Okay, so I moved the stuff out of the way. We're gonna go ahead and lift this up. Okay, let's just remove it completely. Stack it on the side right here. The first steps, we're gonna move these little tabs right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and these just twist off, just like that. So I'm gonna remove these now. All right, so we got all those tabs removed. They just twist off, like I said. And then this piece, we're just gonna pop it out. Pop that out. Set this off to the side. All right, then you're also gonna do the lining. You're gonna pull this a little bit because there's a bolt right there. To the other side, just like that. All right, let me go ahead and show you guys the lights. These are the Euro lights, like I mentioned, by Form Lighting. These are the 2018 Plus style. Let me try to see if I can show you guys a difference between the 2015 and the 2018 style. On the bottom, of course, that's the 2015 style. It's more like straight edged. And the 2018, they curve out more. Oh shit. So this is definitely gonna change the look of the car. I went ahead and started loosening the bolts. I already took this side off. And I'll show you where those are located, and then we'll go from there, and then we'll get the final look of the car. So, like I said before, you're gonna pull this lining out. You're gonna have 1, 2, 3. I don't know if you guys can see that back there. 10mm bolts that you're gonna just, you know, use a socket wrench, take those off. And you got these sides. I haven't taken these ones off, but I'm about to do that now. Here's the last bolt right here. So after you remove the 3 bolts on each side of the tail light, you're gonna unplug the actual harness. So right here, there's just a little tab right there. I'm gonna pull it, disconnect, and then you just push this out. And then it just comes out. And there's like a rubber grommet right there. You just pull that out as well. Just like that. That's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and install the new ones. All right, guys. Lance is recording right now. Thanks for the camera. But yeah, we're gonna install the right passenger side. So just like before, run this through here, plug in the grommet. Go ahead and plug the harness in. And you're gonna take your screws, your bolts right here.
That's nice.
I'm just gonna put them back in. Feel the difference.
I like it. I like it.
Sheesh. Woo!
I like it. That's hilarious. That looks ridiculous.
Damn, it looks good. Oh my god. All right, guys, so I got the passenger side on, just loosely bolted. Big difference with the 2018 style. Like I said, it's like more edgy and curved compared to these ones that are kind of just straight edged. But yeah, comment down below, which ones do you guys like better? I really like the 2018 Euro style lights. But yeah, it looks really good so far. Oh yeah, just a heads up, when you guys are installing these, you're gonna have to install this panel too, this top piece. But it just pops up, just held in by tabs. And then you just transfer it to the other one, just like that. All right, I'm pretty much done. I just gotta tighten the last bolt. This one right here. And then we just reinstall the lining and the floor mat, and we're set. I mean, there's no spare wheel. Let's put this back. Guys, that's the finished product. There they are. They look really good. They are lit up. Let me go ahead and mess with the signals too. Let me just start the car up. Do that. Let's open up the valves. Let's do the left signal. Now we got the sequential. Let's check the right one. Let's just do the hazards. Perfect. Let me go ahead and turn the car off. It's kind of hard to hear. This car's loud as hell. All right, guys. There's the final product right there. They look super good. Man. 9-day difference. Just makes the car look totally different from the rear. Comment down below, which one did you guys like better? Did you guys like the 2015 style with the red? Or do you guys like the Euro style, the 2018 Plus? Let me know in the comment section. But let me give you a walk around the car. We just did this recently, did the winglet extensions, the 500 style. Looks really good. Makes the car way more aggressive in the front. And then I also took off the white lettering off the Shelby on the front lip. But yeah, I got some plans for this car. I ordered some overlays for the badges. Those are gonna be blue. Overlays for the Brembo brakes. Overlay for the trunk badge. And I got some interior stuff too. If you guys didn't know, this car's gonna be at a car show next weekend. That's Sonoma Raceway. So I'm gonna be taking this to my detailer. Shout out SR Garage. He does all our cars here. I taken the Shelby, of course. The GT500 has been there, got PPF work done. The Red Eye's going there in April to get PPF. And then the Charger Scat Pack has been there multiple times. But yeah, we're gonna be doing some last minute things to get this car ready for the show. But that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. If you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe. And we appreciate the early support. See you at the next one. Peace.